So this is a model, we keep these in stock. We're at $35,999. That includes the black rail package, the mood lighting,
Okay.
as well as the full cover for the boat and the 90 VMAX.
Hi folks, I'm with Two Guys in a Ride, and today I'm at the Northwest Sports Show here at the Minneapolis Convention Center, and I'm here with Matt from 61 Marine and Sports, and we're going to take a look at a really cool pontoon. So, Matt, first of all, thanks for spending some time with us.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right, so what are we taking a look at today?
Today we're looking at the 822 Sylvan Mirage.
Okay, so, you know, one of the things that I noticed, and I've been through another Sylvan boat before, is this. I think you're going to see it, folks, is the quality that goes into it, but a price that is way below what the quality is. I mean, it's just an amazing boat. So, you know, let's start up here up front. You've got a little bit of extra decking sticking out the front, stainless steel cleats, and then what do you call that? I call that a horseshoe, but the little metal cap.
Yeah, those are just basically protective caps that they put
Okay.
on the corners, bouncing off the docks and things like that.
Now, this is all aluminum railing.
Yep, and this is the powder coated railing. This is the sport package.
Looks really
So it's
nice.
the black powder coated railings on this.
Okay. Now, as far as your driving lights go, they are back here. Okay, here we can see a little bit.
Yeah, and I can flip those on for you.
You kind of get an idea of the. Oh yeah, the what it looks like on the other side has got the green from another boat here, and then the red from ours. Okay, so that's nice. Those are bright lights at night, really bright. Okay, let's talk about the structure underneath. Now, this is a pontoon, not a tri-tune.
Pontoon, yep, and it uses all hat channel construction.
Okay.
Lifetime warranty on the construction of the hull.
Okay.
And this is rated for 115 horsepower.
Wow. Boy, they've come a long ways from when I bought pontoons. All right. Marine grade plywood on the flooring.
Yep, marine grade plywood, and then the sea weave flooring on top.
Yeah, that's comfortable to walk on. It's also, I think, easy to clean, wouldn't it?
Easy to clean and good traction too.
Yeah, it is. It's grippy, right? I mean, not overly so. It's a really nice fixture or texture. Okay, I see we got ambient lighting.
Yep, those are the mood lights.
Okay, and we got
the speakers built in down there.
We have 4 speakers total?
4 speakers, 2 in the front, 2 in the back.
Okay, so let's talk about the seats here. First of all, what are they? What's the covering on them?
So these are vinyl.
Okay.
So this is marine grade vinyl. That's a 6-year warranty on all the interior
part.
Yep.
Wow.
And then these seats all have the storage underneath. So with the locking bracket.
Oh yeah, when they lock back there, so they stay in place.
Correct. Yep.
Oh
so
man.
that opens, and then this one opens too for the full, all the way through stores. So you can see you can fit like the big poles in there and that kind of stuff.
I like the hinges.
Yeah.
I mean, those are some heavy-duty hinges, but you notice, folks, that you can open both seats at the same time, which you can't always do on a corner.
Right.
Depending on the manufacturer. So, got cup holders back there.
Yep, removable for quick cleaning on these.
Okay, I like them recessed and out of the way. Now, this side is going to be the same thing.
Same thing here.
We just lift. I'll let you go first, and then I'll.
You can store your cover in there.
Oh yeah, and because it's pass-through, like you said, I mean, you can have an oar in there. You could have.
The other thing too that these use the new clip style cover, so it clips to the rail. There's no snaps.
Oh. Bless somebody who spent the time figuring that out.
Yeah,
I can tell you that.
Yep.
Whew, they had a lifetime of snaps. Okay, what a nice look. I mean, just the stitching, the way the different directions it goes, it really dresses it up. Okay, so moving forward, we do have backlit cup holders with mood lighting. Of course, you got a smoked windshield. Do we have storage under here?
Yep. So this opens up. You got storage, and then easy maintenancing access. If you want to install extra accessories, you can get right in there and
that it's
everything up.
My console is like a foot by a foot.
Yeah.
So not easy to get in when I'm installing extra things. So that is so nice. All right. We also have something I think right back here.
Yep. So this opens up, and this is going to be your changing station, porta potty area. So there's a curtain that comes out right here,
Oh, look at that.
and that opens up like that.
Okay.
Little privacy room.
Yeah. Now let's say I didn't want that for some reason, right? 'Cause I'm not like that,
Yeah. So
that for the longest stretches. Can I get just a garbage can?
yep. So what you can do is this bracket up top here is removable.
Oh,
And then this whole area
that just stays, and you just put your garbage can in
nice
there.
open area for storage or
Nice.
garbage can.
So there is some customization you can do when you order it.
Yes.
Absolutely. Okay. Now I see we got another gate just to your, well, now to your right.
Yep.
Okay, and that's just the same lift style.
Lift style gate.
Okay. Is the front one or are any of them wheelchair accessible?
So these are all a 30-inch gate.
Okay.
So that's kind of considered to be the wider gate. Some of them are in that 20 to 24 inch.
Okay, so it's wide. That's just what I wanted to know. That's perfect. Okay, captain's chairs for the passenger and driver.
Yep.
I'm assuming they are the same in function.
Yep. So these are both reclining, and then these also have sliders on them, so you can go.
Oh, nice. Yep.
Kind of get it where you want it.
And then it'll tilt backwards.
Tilt backwards as well.
Okay.
So you can lean back.
Yeah, those are nice chairs.
Yeah.
All right, tell us a little bit about the driver something. I noticed you got a nice grip for your feet down there.
Yep.
Is it fiberglass?
Yep, it's all fiberglass.
Okay.
As opposed to like a plastic console that you'd see a lot of times in this price range.
Okay. So walk us just through quickly what we have.
You got the wet sound stereo with Bluetooth.
Okay.
FM as well. You have these dual purpose gauges, so you have GPS speedometer and voltage, as well as your tach and fuel gauge.
Okay, and then you got the are those dummy gauges?
3 dummy gauges, yep, and that's where you could add in like a depth gauge or a compass or something like that in there.
I love the fact that they dress them up, make them look nice.
Yes.
You almost don't know if it's just a dark digital screen or what's going on with that. Okay, now down here, I think you've got a USB-C and A, both. Okay, along with, of course, the fuse for that. And then over here with the Hummingbird, what kind of choices do you have for what you put on this side?
So that's the Hummingbird 5-inch GPS, and that's also a fish finder. You can also fit a 7-inch in there if you'd like to go bigger.
And then down here below, can you run through the buttons real quick?
So this is going to be like your red-green navigation lights, your courtesy lights, which is your interior lights. This is also going to be interior lights for the cup holders. And then this is your headlights, dock lights, radio master power. So if you wanted to kind of kill power to that, just to make sure you're not getting any battery drain, you can kill that.
Okay.
This is an accessory switch for a pump if you wanted to add a live well or something like that, and then the horn.
Okay. Now, coming back here, of course, this is just the key.
Yep, so that's for your engine. You got a key, and then this is where your tether is for like the kill switch.
All right. And, of course, standard throttle with tilt and trim.
Yep.
Nice cup holder down there. Okay. So tell us a little bit about the Bimini.
So this is an 8.5-foot Bimini. It uses the quick clip system. So this is just a little hook. You hook them on in these spots right up here. So there's no pins that you have to pull, no buttons you got to push. You just put the Bimini open and flip it on.
If there's no risk of smashing your fingers, I don't think it's fair.
Yes.
Boy, is that nice.
Yes.
If you've never experienced that, folks, go get on an older pontoon with the Bimini. Put up the top, and then try one of these. You realize what we're talking about and why that is so nice. Let's turn around to should we call it the living room, because it's rather large.
Yes.
All right.
So this is your table setup, and this is quickly removable. So if you want that out of your way, you can take it away, and it does store away right inside the boat.
Okay.
And then we have the same type of seating in the back with the storage, as well as this would be an additional storage.
Oh, that opens up. And does the other side do the same?
Other side does the same thing. So in this case,
oh yeah, we got to move that chair.
Chair out of the way.
Oh, look at that.
So a lot of storage.
Well, you can never have too much, right? It's like a garage, never big enough. Okay, and of course the ambient lighting continues here, and you've got one of your speakers down here, and then of course the storage is the same underneath these both seats here,
and the battery back here as well.
Okay,
so easy access for the battery.
So okay. Let's talk about the back here. I'm assuming this is a access panel down here just to get at maybe.
So this has the fuel tank built in underneath the floor. So this is easy access for doing any maintenancing as far as changing fuel sender, that kind of thing.
Yes. Okay. And I love the ladder at the back there. You got what? Is that a four? That's a 5-step or is that a 4-step?
That's a 4-step.
That's a 4-step.
Stainless steel ladder.
Very nice. I like the extra space on the deck. Okay, what do we have for a motor?
So this is the Yamaha VMAX 90, which is their high output 90 horse.
Okay.
4-stroke. And then the built-in gas tank
So
and fuel separator back there as well.
Okay. And then fuel fill is right there too.
Yep.
Which is really, really handy.
That's a 25-gallon tank. So this is a model, we keep these in stock. We're at $35,999. That includes the black rail package, the mood lighting, as well as the full cover for the boat and the 90 VMAX.
Okay, you know, that, I mean, wow, in today's pontoons, right, when you're talking brand new, and with the quality Sylvan's put in, that's sort of an unheard of price tag, right? It's like there's actually a new pontoon at that price. Does it float? Right? You start asking those questions. But I mean, hopefully you can see, folks, it's been, you know, it's really well constructed. The materials are really nice. You know, they're just not charging what everyone else is. All right. So you have these in stock.
Yep.
Okay.
Have these in stock.
If I want to custom put something in, how many weeks am I looking at?
To order a custom boat is about 6 to 8 weeks.
Okay, and that's industry standard pretty much right now.
Yep.
All right, so we've talked about price. Let's talk about warranty.
Warranty, so this boat comes with a 6-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, which covers everything in the boat.
Wow.
Also, it has lifetime warranty on all of the structure from the floor down. So that includes the floor itself.
The weave that we see.
Yep, and the marine-grade plywood.
Matt, thank you so much for taking your time to talk with us, visit with us about this beautiful Sylvan pontoon. We sure appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.
And folks, thanks for watching.